Yo, what's up traders, welcome to a new video. So in this video I want to share with you that I passed the FTMO challenge. When did I start? Let me see. Okay, so over here we see that the balance is 11,000, right? So yeah, basically you have to make 10% to pass the challenge. Okay, I ended the challenge the 9th of March, which is about 5 days ago. Okay, so let's click on metrics. Okay, so this is the performance. As you can see, I started the 8th of February on 2024 and I ended the challenge on the 9th of March 2025. So that is almost, yeah, it's over 1 year. And over here you can see that I went a little bit in profit and then draw down. I climbed up a little bit, go up, go up, go up, and then I lost some trades, then again went to the upside, and over here you see that I was basically break even. I was a break even trader, right? I did a lot of other things in the meantime, and trading FTMO and doing other things. That's not really the best combination in my opinion. In order for me to perform, I need to have good focus. So that was not the case. And I was also trading manually, and if you trade manually it could work, of course, but you have to watch the charts more often, right? And I noticed that I missed out on trades. So I didn't like that. And as you can see, sometimes I took a few trades and then I lost one, and then I was like, I should have waited, or I should take that one. And so it was not the best combination. And then about over here, I was like, okay, maybe I should just do what I am doing basically for a few years now. Just use my hybrid trading systems and see if they also work on the FTMO challenge. And as you can see, went to the upside, even higher. Then I had a loss, so my equity protector of about 4% has been hit. And then finally it went to the upside again, and we reached the profit target of about 10%. So basically I'm not sure when I started the my algorithmic trading system. I believe it was about here. So that's in let's say it was the start. It was the start of the year, so that's about here. I was in a drawdown, slight drawdown, and then I believe it was the first, something like that, start of the year. And that means in about 2 months I was able to pass the challenge, so that's really good. Over here the consistency score is quite high, and over here minimum trading days was 88. So that's it was, the minimum trading days are 4 days, but my results are 88 trading days. But eventually I passed. Over here the maximum daily loss, so this is because of my equity protector. It closes all trades and it stops trading the entire day, and it opens new trades when the next day starts, of course. Maximum loss was 569, so that's good as well. And a profit target was over 10%, which is really good, of course. And let me see, the average risk reward ratio isn't that great, to be honest. And it's also, I believe, because of this period here. It's not good, right? But eventually I did pass, so that's really good. My win rate was 71, over 71%, profit factor 1.43, so that's good if it's above the 1. And preferably I would like to have this number over 2, but for this challenge it's good. And here we see the daily summary, the results that I made. Over here we see a nice equity hit, drawdown hit. So that means that my system works, that it closes also trades when it doesn't look good, right? So that happens as well. I can't predict the market. The only thing I can control is my trading system and the trades that I take. and also when I close the trade, that's also something that I can control. So that's really good over here. Finally, eventually we made a nice return of about 10%. So let me see over here. I only traded gold when I use my trading system, my algorithmic trading system. And as you can see, only buy trades, buy on gold. And over here, we see the majority of the trades were taken on gold. So that's good. All right. So over here, I started trading at the start of January, something like that, when I use my algorithmic trading system, my hybrid trading system. So basically, I'm not sure if you're familiar with my hybrid trading system. It's a trading system that I developed. I put a lot of hours into it. I don't even know. I've been working on these kind of systems for years. And finally I was like, okay, this sounds good. It looks good. When I back test, it seems quite okay. Okay, this understatement. It looks quite well. How does it perform in the real market, right? So over here I enabled the trading system, and the reason why I call it my hybrid trading system is because I am also in a position to close the trades when I want to close the trades, right? So over here, for example, let's say that I enabled the hybrid trading system over here, and we see it makes nice returns, but over here I see that it opens a buy order, right? And I see like, wow, this is an all-time high. I see it's also overbought right here, so of course it could go higher. That's something we see as well over here. But if I look at the fundamentals, because that's also something you have to consider if you are a trader, swing trader, position trader, whatever kind of trader you are, you always have to take into account the fundamental story as well. So if the system opens a trade over here and I notice that, well, fundamentally it's not the best place to open a buy, then I can close it, right? So I get notified when my trading system opens a trade, and then I basically monitor it. And if I'm like, yes, this is really something that has high chance to be a successful trade, then I just leave it. But if I have any doubts, and I also watch the news and the fundamental story and all that, I read the reports, etc., and I have any doubts, then I just close it out, right? So it's basically, it opens the trades, it also closes the trades, and so that part is basically out of your hands, right? And so that's something that you don't have to think about. The only thing that you have to think about is the fundamental story, and if it lines up with the news and the reports of the big banks and institutions and whatever, right? So I enabled the trading system over here, and we see that only buy trades, right? Why? Because gold, if you want to trade gold, I personally, at this moment right now, I personally only suggest that you take buy orders. Why? Because of course we are in a bullish market, and gold is also a commodity that is scarce. So overall, in general, gold should go up, right? People use it for investments, etc. So overall, gold should go up. And now at the moment we are, Trump announced the tariffs, etc. So it's quite unstable in the world right now. So people use gold as a safe haven, and that's the fundamental part that I'm talking about, right? You have to be aware of that. So let's say over here this is a top. Over here we see over here a bearish candle, and you're like, okay, I see a double top, I go and take a sell trade. You don't do that. Why? Because at the moment we are in a period that the entire economy and everything is unstable in the world right now. So we don't take a sell trade, even though from a technical perspective we should take a sell trade, right? So that's why it's really important to also are aware of the fundamental story. So I only take buy orders, and as you can see, it's really nice. It only went up, and that's the reason why I hit the 10% target. So that's really good. And let's go back. Now we have the verification. It is ongoing, and let's see over here. I am currently at 2% profit, so that's good, and I need to make 5% in order to pass the entire FTMO challenge and verification stage. So that's nice. Let me click on the metrics and see how that looks like. So I started over here, of course, and then 0 drawdown. So basically it's a nice move to the upside in profit. Consistency is about 50%. Minimum trading days. So yeah, so this is in 4 days. In 4 trading days I am up 2%, so that's nice. Of course, daily loss, yeah, really low. Maximum loss, really low. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this as well. The risk reward ratio isn't even calculated yet because yeah, I have 2 trading days and 3 trades on the 13th and 5 trades on the 12th. And Sharp ratio is really high, but of course we need more data. Win rate is 100%, and I just keep buying, right? I just keep buying gold. It's not that hard, honestly. So yeah, that's it basically. If I go back, let me see. And over here you see that another FTMO challenge is also ongoing. So currently my balance is 10,967. So I need about 33 euros, and then I've passed this challenge as well. So that's nice. Currently I'm $3 up, 3 euros up. Let me see and take a look at that metrics. This metrics. Yeah, so for this trading account, I did manually trade it. As you can see that it works, and it's a nice equity graph to the upside. And if I go down below, I see consistency score is high. Also 42 trading days. So yeah, I really am a patient guy. Maximum daily loss. Also my equity drawdown has been hit as well. So that's nice that it works. And over here, maximum loss. So basically what I did, I don't use an EA, but I do have an alarm when it reaches the 4% daily drawdown, right? And so that's why I got notified. I was watching the charts and I closed out everything. So that's profit target almost has been reached. So that's good. Over here, risk reward ratio 1.70, almost 4.79 sharp. Okay, so yeah, here we see all my trades, and yeah, it's nothing special. Basically I traded a lot of US 500, which the S&P, also a lot of Euro USD, and currently I am in the Euro out trade at the moment. So yeah, that's it basically. Yeah, I'm looking forward to passing this FTMO challenge, and then I have this is a $10,000 euro account, and yeah, once this is passed, I just keep trading on it, of course, until I've made about 5%, which is 500 euros. Profit split is about 4%, so that's 4, or it is 4%. Profit split is about 80%, so that would mean I make about $400-ish euros. Yeah, I use that money to buy a 100k account, and then I keep trading on that account until I have passed the 100k challenge verification stage, and then I create a portfolio of FTMO challenges and pass accounts. And yeah, my goal is of course to become fully and maxed funded, which is I believe 400k, but if you are a great performer, then they can even upscale it to 1 million, but I'm not sure about that. Alright, so yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.